Hey Sugar, welcome to my studio kitchen. We're gonna get started today making a coconut curry soup, vegetarian style. Now, I have been going meatless almost 2 weeks now, and you know what? I am loving it. Yeah, I feel better. I gotta get some of this stuff from around my waist off me. So I'm filling this up with lots of veggies. We got some roots, some large ginger here that I got from the Asian market. I'm gonna go ahead and slice that up as thinly as I can because it is also going in this coconut curry soup. The thing I love about this coconut curry soup is it's so fresh and vibrant, and it's got so many layers of flavor. You've got the ginger and the fresh herb, basil, and this right here. Yeah, you're going to want to get some lemongrass in your life. And the way that we really pull the essence out of it is just to beat it. So I beat it on my countertop, and then I peel back the paper-like layers. It's quite papery and it's quite fibrous. But once you get down to some tender shoots, you've got something that really is a nice, subtle, lemony flavor, complexity to your meal. All I'm doing is just pulling some more of that essence out by beating it with the butt of my knife. Let's just go ahead and slice it up into a few sticks. With lemongrass, I love doing lemongrass tea. So a lot of times I will just take it and grind it up and put it in a sieve and just brew it and make the best tea. All right, now if you're not doing this with your curry, what the heck is wrong with you? Toast it. Toast it. It gives it more of an authentic flavor, and it really brings out all of the spices mixed in that curry. So we want to toast it a little bit just to bring those flavors out. See that chocolatey color it's kind of turned. Adding my shallots now to it. We're going to add some ginger to that, as well as our lemongrass. A little more of that basil, some ginger. I'm just throwing everything in there. All right. And now we want to just mix. Get that curry all over and in those veggies. And here, these are just some bagged veggies that I had. You got some sugar snap peas, some broccoli, Brussels sprouts, carrots. Yeah, just whatever you want. There's some red cabbage in there. And now we're just mixing it in with those spices. Add a little salt. And now for the coconut milk. This is the magic. Give it a good shake and then pour as much or as little as you want. Some people like it a little bit thinner, but I like the thickness of that coconut milk. A little bit of coconut water with coconut pieces falling in there. This is going to be such a sexy coconut curry. This is how beautiful it looks before it even gets to boiling a little bit. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colors. All right, you can't have a good coconut curry if you ain't adding fish sauce. All right, I'm adding about 3 teaspoons of fish sauce to my curry. Give it a good stir, and then we're going to bring it up to a boil for just a few minutes. We're not trying to cook these vegetables to death. We just want to soften them up, give that curry a good mix with all of the spices and fragrances that we added. And this is the after effect. How beautiful is that? I added some instant rice noodle to my bowl. Look at this color. Are you seeing this? This is the sexiest coconut curry you will ever have. Honey. Now with these instant noodles, I get these from the Asian market. They soften up so fast. It needs very little heat to it. So by the time you pour that curry over it, it's already soft. I'm gonna give it a little bit of dusting of cayenne. This is so pretty. I can't stand myself. And now for the taste test. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-huh. That's it right there. Let's try those tender rice noodles. Got that curry all over it. Baby, that soup is good. Let me tell you, dishes like this, yeah, I don't mind being vegan for a week or so. Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back.